Bow window installation in Richland Hills is a popular choice for homeowners looking to enhance their home's aesthetic appeal and functionality. Bow windows Richland Hills homeowners choose add elegant curves, expanded views, and increased natural light to any space. Our expert team specializes in custom window designs Richland Hills, ensuring that each installation meets the unique needs and preferences of our clients. With a focus on energy-efficient windows Richland Hills, we help reduce energy costs while improving the comfort of your home. Energy-efficient windows are essential for maintaining a comfortable indoor environment and reducing energy bills. Our double-glazed windows Richland Hills offer superior insulation, keeping your home warm in the winter and cool in the summer. We also provide window insulation services Richland Hills to further enhance the energy efficiency of your windows. Window frame replacement Richland Hills is crucial for maintaining the structural integrity of your windows. Our team offers comprehensive window frame replacement services, ensuring that your windows are secure and functional. We also specialize in window sash replacement Richland Hills, providing a complete solution for all your window needs. Custom window designs Richland Hills allow homeowners to express their personal style while enhancing the functionality of their windows. Our design team works closely with clients to create unique window solutions that complement their home's architecture. Whether you're looking for a modern or traditional design, we have the expertise to bring your vision to life. Vinyl window replacement Richland Hills is a cost-effective solution for homeowners looking to upgrade their windows. Vinyl windows are durable, low maintenance, and energy efficient, making them an excellent choice for any home. Our team provides professional installation services to ensure a perfect fit and long-lasting performance. Window glass upgrade Richland Hills is an excellent way to improve the energy efficiency and appearance of your home. We offer a range of glass options, including tinted and double-glazed windows, to meet your specific needs. Our window glass upgrade services are designed to enhance the performance and aesthetic appeal of your windows. Home window renovation Richland Hills is a comprehensive service that includes everything from window frame replacement to window glass upgrades. Our team of experts will work with you to create a renovation plan that meets your needs and budget. We are committed to providing high-quality residential window services Richland Hills that enhance the beauty and functionality of your home. Window weatherproofing Richland Hills is essential for protecting your home from the elements. Our weatherproofing services include window caulking, window seal installation, and window leak installation Richland Hills. We use high-quality materials and techniques to ensure that your windows are protected from wind, rain, and temperature fluctuations. Bay window replacement Richland Hills is a popular service for homeowners looking to update their home's appearance. Our team specializes in bay window replacement, providing expert installation and design services. We offer a range of styles and materials to choose from, ensuring that your new bay windows complement your home's architecture. For top-notch window maintenance Richland Hills, our comprehensive residential window services ensure your windows remain in pristine condition. Whether you have traditional styles or bow windows Richland Hills residents trust, our window maintenance Richland Hills includes window caulking, window weatherproofing, and window hardware installation to extend the life of your windows. Trust our experts for all your window maintenance needs in Richland Hills. Upgrade your home with our energy-efficient windows Richland Hills, designed to reduce energy costs and enhance comfort. Our double-glazed windows Richland Hills provide superior insulation, while our window insulation services Richland Hills ensure maximum energy efficiency. Choose our energy-efficient windows for a sustainable and cost-effective solution in Richland Hills. Transform your home with custom window designs Richland Hills, tailored to your unique style and preferences. Our window style consultation Richland Hills helps you select the perfect design, while our custom window designs Richland Hills offer endless possibilities. Enhance your home's aesthetic with our bespoke window solutions in Richland Hills. Ensure a perfect fit with our window measurement services Richland Hills, providing precise measurements for all window installations. Our window installation warranty Richland Hills guarantees quality and peace of mind. Trust our experts for accurate window measurement services in Richland Hills. Enhance your home's curb appeal with our vinyl window replacement Richland Hills, offering durability and style. Our window frame replacement Richland Hills ensures a seamless fit, while our window trim replacement Richland Hills adds the finishing touch. Choose our vinyl window replacement for a modern and stylish upgrade in Richland Hills. Protect your home with our window leak installation Richland Hills, addressing any issues promptly to prevent further damage. Our window seal installation Richland Hills ensures a tight seal, while our window caulking Richland Hills provides added protection. Rely on our experts for effective window leak installation in Richland Hills. Revitalize your home with our home window renovation Richland Hills, offering a complete transformation. Our window glass upgrade Richland Hills enhances clarity and efficiency, while our window pane replacement Richland Hills ensures a flawless finish. Choose our home window renovation for a fresh and modern look in Richland Hills. Experience the beauty of bow window installation Richland Hills, adding elegance and space to your home. Our bow window replacement Richland Hills offers a stunning focal point, while our bay window replacement Richland Hills provides additional seating and light. Enhance your home with our bow window solutions in Richland Hills. Improve your home's security and comfort with our window screen installation Richland Hills, keeping pests out while allowing fresh air in. Our window tinting services Richland Hills offer privacy and UV protection, while our window sash replacement Richland Hills ensures smooth operation. Choose our window screen installation for added convenience in Richland Hills. For reliable window hardware installation Richland Hills, our skilled technicians address any issues with precision. From window sash replacement Richland Hills to upgrades for bow windows Richland Hills homeowners prefer, our window hardware installation Richland Hills services ensure smooth operation and long-lasting performance.